The world of art is experiencing a seismic shift. No longer the sole domain of human imagination, creativity is now embracing a new kind of artist, the algorithm. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly infiltrating creative fields, generating art, composing music, and even writing poetry and prose. This incursion of technology into the sacred space of human expression raises profound questions about the nature of creativity itself. Is AI merely mimicking human ingenuity, or is it capable of genuine artistic innovation? This emergence of AI as a creative force is not a mere technological curiosity, it is a cultural phenomenon with far-reaching implications. The increasing sophistication of AI tools means that machines are no longer just performing tasks according to pre-programmed instructions. They are now capable of learning, adapting, and even seemingly thinking for themselves, blurring the lines between human and artificial creativity. The impact of AI on the art world is undeniable. From AI-generated paintings fetching astronomical sums at auction to algorithms composing chart-topping pop songs, the creative landscape is being reshaped before our very eyes. This raises a host of questions about the future of art and the role of human artists in a world increasingly dominated by AI. Is there a fundamental difference between art created by a human and art generated by an algorithm? Can AI truly replicate the emotional depth, the lived experience, and the unique perspective that imbues human art with its power? These are not merely philosophical musings, they are urgent questions that demand our attention as we stand on the cusp of a new era in creative expression. The evidence of AI's foray into creative domains is everywhere. In the realm of visual art, AI algorithms are producing stunning paintings, intricate drawings, and photorealistic images that rival the work of human artists. These AI artists, trained on vast datasets of existing art, can mimic various styles from the Impressionism of Monet to the abstract expressionism of Pollock. Music, too, has become a playground for AI creativity. Algorithms are composing original pieces in a variety of genres, from classical symphonies to catchy pop tunes. These AI composers can analyze vast libraries of musical data, identifying patterns and structures that inform their creations. Some AI-generated music has even fooled expert listeners into believing it was composed by humans. Perhaps most surprisingly, AI has also ventured into the world of writing. AI language models, trained on massive datasets of text, can now generate surprisingly coherent and even creative written content. From poems to scripts to news articles, AI is proving capable of producing written work that is often indistinguishable from human-generated content. This explosion of AI-generated creative output is both exhilarating and unsettling. On the one hand, it points to the incredible power and potential of AI to augment and expand human creativity. On the other hand, it raises concerns about the future of human artists and the potential for AI to devalue human creativity. To understand the impact of AI on creativity, it's crucial to delve into how AI actually creates. At its core, AI creativity is driven by algorithms, sets of rules or instructions that guide the AI's decision-making process. These algorithms, fed with massive amounts of data, learn to identify patterns, make connections, and generate new outputs based on the information they have processed. In the case of AI art, for example, an algorithm might be trained on thousands of images of human faces. By analyzing these images, the AI learns the features and structures that constitute a face. It can then use this knowledge to generate new, entirely fictional faces that have never existed before. However, it's essential to distinguish between AI's ability to generate novel outputs and true human creativity. While AI can create works that are aesthetically pleasing or technically impressive, it does so without the benefit of human experience, emotion, or intent. Human creativity is deeply rooted in our lived experiences, our emotions, our values, and our understanding of the world around us. AI, lacking these qualities, operates differently. It excels at pattern recognition and data processing, enabling it to produce outputs that mimic human creativity. However, it does not possess the same capacity for genuine innovation, emotional depth, or the ability to infuse art with meaning and purpose in the way humans do. The distinction lies in the source of inspiration. Human artists draw inspiration from a vast well of lived experience, emotions, observations, and interactions with the world. AI, on the other hand, draws its inspiration from the data it is fed. It can emulate, remix, and combine existing patterns, but it cannot replicate the spark of true human creativity that stems from a lifetime of experiences and emotions. Section 4: AI Muse or Menial Assistant. While the question of whether AI can be truly creative remains a topic of debate, its potential to enhance and augment human creativity is undeniable. AI tools are already being used by artists across various disciplines to push the boundaries of their craft and explore new creative avenues. Musicians, for instance, are using AI to generate new melodies, experiment with unconventional harmonies, and even create entire backing tracks based on their input. Writers are leveraging AI language models to overcome writer's block, explore different writing styles, and even generate plot ideas or character sketches. In the visual arts, AI tools are empowering artists with new ways to manipulate images, create stunning visual effects, and explore novel forms of artistic expression. AI is not merely a tool for generating art, it is also a tool for understanding art. AI algorithms can analyze vast collections of art, identifying patterns, influences, and connections that might not be apparent to the human eye. This ability to process and analyze massive amounts of data makes AI an invaluable tool for art historians, curators, and critics. It can help to authenticate works of art, trace the evolution of artistic styles, and even uncover hidden meanings or influences within a piece of art. The true potential of AI in the creative realm lies not in replacing human artists, but in empowering them. By handling repetitive tasks, providing new creative prompts, and offering novel tools for artistic exploration, AI can free human artists to focus on what they do best, conceiving original ideas, infusing their work with emotion and meaning, and pushing the boundaries of human expression. Section 5: The Ethics of AI Art, Originality, Ownership, and Displacement. The rise of AI in creative fields also brings a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas. One of the most pressing issues is the question of originality and ownership. When an AI creates a piece of art, who owns the copyright? The programmer who created the algorithm? The user who provided the input? Or does the AI itself have any claim to ownership? These are not hypothetical questions. They are legal and philosophical conundrums with real-world implications. As AI-generated art becomes more prevalent, legal frameworks will need to adapt to determine how to assign ownership and protect intellectual property rights in this new creative landscape. Another ethical concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's natural to question whether it could eventually replace human artists altogether. While AI can generate impressive creative output, it's important to remember that it lacks the depth of human experience and the ability to imbue art with genuine emotion and meaning. However, the increasing accessibility and affordability of AI art generation tools could potentially lead to a devaluation of human artistic labor. If anyone can generate a seemingly professional quality piece of art with the click of a button, what happens to the livelihoods of artists who have spent years honing their skills? These concerns are valid and require careful consideration. It's crucial to strike a balance between embracing the potential of AI to enhance creativity and ensuring that human artists are not left behind in the process. This includes supporting artists through retraining programs, exploring new economic models for artistic work in the age of AI, and fostering a deeper appreciation for the irreplaceable value of human creativity. Section 6: The Soul of Art, Why Human Creativity Endures. Despite the remarkable capabilities of AI, there is a fundamental essence of human creativity that remains inimitable. Art is not merely about technical skill or the ability to generate novel outputs. It's about expressing the human experience, conveying emotions, and connecting with others on a deeper level. Human creativity is born from a wellspring of lived experiences, emotions, relationships, and interactions with the world around us. It's about our hopes, our fears, our dreams, our struggles, and our triumphs. It's about finding meaning in the chaos of existence and sharing that meaning with others. AI, for all its computational power, cannot replicate the depth and complexity of the human experience. It can analyze data, identify patterns, and generate outputs based on its programming, but it cannot feel the weight of a life lived, the sting of heartbreak, the joy of love, or the awe-inspiring beauty of a sunset. This is not to say that AI art is devoid of value or meaning. It can be aesthetically pleasing, thought-provoking, and even emotionally resonant in its own right. However, it's essential to recognize the fundamental difference between art that is generated based on algorithms and data analysis and art that is created from the raw material of human experience. The human soul, shaped by a lifetime of experiences, is the wellspring from which our creativity flows. It's this depth of feeling, this ability to connect with others on an emotional level, that gives human art its enduring power. It's a power that transcends mere technical skill or novelty. It's a power that speaks to the very core of what it means to be human. Section 7, a future painted in collaboration, humans and AI, hand in hand. The rise of AI in creative fields need not be a zero-sum game. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to human creativity, we should embrace its potential to augment and enhance our own creative abilities. The future of art is not about choosing between human or machine. It's about finding ways for humans and AI to collaborate and create together. Imagine a world where artists can use AI tools to overcome creative blocks, explore new artistic styles, and push the boundaries of their imaginations. Imagine writers collaborating with AI language models to craft compelling narratives, musicians working with AI composers to create groundbreaking new sounds, and architects partnering with AI to design buildings that are both functional and aesthetically stunning. This is not a far-off utopian vision, it's a future that is already taking shape. As AI technology continues to advance and become more accessible, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking collaborations between humans and machines in the creative realm. The key to unlocking this potential lies in embracing a spirit of collaboration rather than competition. We need to view AI not as a replacement for human creativity, but as a powerful tool that can help us to unlock new levels of creative expression. The future of art is not about choosing sides, it's about recognizing that the true potential of creativity lies in the collaboration between human ingenuity and the power of AI. It's about embracing the unknown, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and creating a future where humans and machines work together to paint a more vibrant, imaginative, and inspiring world.